Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 3. Its title is Never Lie to Your Family. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to write a descriptive paragraph. Before this in English for grade 2, we have learned about describing words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple guided paragraph by giving general physical description of a person or object. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Balad, verse 8 till 10. Did we not make for him 2 eyes and a tongue and 2 lips and showed him the 2 ways? Yes, my dear children. What these beautiful verses telling us? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is describing us, our faith. Allah is saying, Allah has given us 2 eyes, alhamdulillah, a tongue, alhamdulillah, 2 lips, alhamdulillah, and 2 ways. One is a right way, which will take us to Jannah, inshallah, and the other is a wrong way. So we should try to be on the right path because Allah has created that path for us to reach to Jannah. So my dear children, you see how nicely Allah is describing the things. This is how beta Quran teaches us everything. So this is how we can describe a thing. At first you tell me, how do you describe your friend? If I ask you who is your best friend, how will you describe your friend? And what is an adjective? Pause the video, answer these 2 questions to your teacher, and then come back. I hope you have answered correctly that we describe. If I ask you to describe your friend, it means I'm asking you to describe a person. And if I ask you to describe your bicycle, it means I'm asking you to describe an object. So whenever we want to describe a person or an object, we describe it by using different adjectives. And by the way, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words that describe nouns. Means to describe a naming word, a noun, the words which we use, those are called adjectives, right? We have learned it. So I'm going to explain it through some examples. Look at this. Sandwich as a noun, tasty sandwich. This word is telling us what type of noun, what type of sandwich it is. That's why it is adjective. Okay, so this is how we can describe a noun, describe something by using adjectives. Okay, big elephant, brown horse, curly hair, hungry boy, and 3 kittens, right? This is how with nouns we use different words to describe that word. It tells, like an adjective is a word which tells more about noun, and these are known as describing words. And whenever we want to describe a person or object, we use adjectives. Right? And those adjectives should be relevant to describe that person or object. Right? Are you clear? Okay, so I'm going to check you through an activity. Are you ready for that? Okay, so this interesting activity is like that. Your teacher will divide class in 5 groups. Each group will select 1 student as their representative. Okay? The representative will come and start writing describing words as clues for his or her group. Means the representative will think of something and will start giving clues in writing to group to guess what the thing or the person is, right? So the group have to guess the thing or person just within 5 clues. Let's see who wins. Are you clear with the activity instructions? Okay, then pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope all of you could guess the person or the thing your leader wanted you to be. Right? You did it? Okay, good. So it's time to do activity from your book. Now, all of you settle down because it's writing work. You will write 8 to 10 lines in your notebook about your favorite person in your family. Means the person you like the most in your family. And how will you write it? You will describe him or her by using interesting adjectives, and you will write one special thing, at least one special thing about the person which makes him or her your favorite person. Okay, so these are the instructions. Now pause the video, write this beautiful paragraph, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write about the benefits of living peacefully with the help of the given word bank in your notebook. And the word bank is here. You will use these words and you will write about the benefits of living peacefully. Okay. It is your homework, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here is a word bank. Adjectives are there, so you will use adjectives to describe this beautiful cat, and you will write your writing over here in this space. In this way, you will complete this worksheet, and what we have learned today, we learned to describe a person or object by giving general physical description of it, and we achieved our SLO to use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple guided paragraph by giving general physical description of a person or an object. Are we done with it? Yes. So, my dear children, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.